Good morning and assalamu alaikum everyone. This is the solution for the example which I have given. You just go through it. If you have any doubt, then you can ask me the particular doubts as well in the comment box. This is the first one, and the second one is therefore manganate ion and sulfite ion produce manganese dioxide and sulfate ion. Today we are saying for the balancing of the redox reaction in acidic medium. So we'll just seeing that how we are going to balance it, children. So here we have to do the particular balancing for chromate ion, dichromate ion. Whenever react with sulfite ion, it produces chromium ion and sulfate ion. So very first step, we are writing the skeletal equation. So itself we are just going to copy this one. You just have the particular that we have copied this. Then what we are doing is we are writing, assigning the oxidation number. Step 2 is writing of oxidation number, children, and we know that how we are finding the oxidation number of for chromium as well as the particular, or we can say that to each element, number of each element. So here chromium, when we'll talk about chromium, is having the oxidation number +6. Oxygen we know that -2, so we are not writing over here because we don't have need of that one right now. Overall charge is -2. यहाँ पे overall charge इसका है -2. Sulfite ion, where sulfur is having the oxidation number +4. Chromium is +3 and sulfur is +6 over here. We don't require the oxidation number for oxygen. So here you can see that +6 +4, it is decreased. +6 to +3, it is decreased by 3, and +4 to +6 here increased by 2. So we are balancing the oxidation number. Here 3, here 2. So 3 2s are 6 and 2 3s are 6. So overall whatever the term which is going to be there, multiply whole by 2. So the neat equation whatever we are writing then after. So what we are writing is that Cr2O7 minus 2. Here step 3 whatever we are writing is Cr +6 2O7 minus 2 overall charges plus SO3 minus 2, which gives 2Cr plus 3 plus here SO4 minus 2. Now the same manner we are doing for, you can just check over here, the same we are doing for the oxygen over here. So what we are doing is we are adding 3 on both the side. So what we are doing is that increase by 3. Already here we have 2 chromium, so we don't have to add it by 2. So we are adding on the right hand side, but sulfur when we talked about, it is increasing by 3. So here we have to add 3 on both the side because we are just balancing the oxidation number. Okay. So what is the oxidation number over here? You can just have that 6 plus 4 3s are 12, 18, and over here also we have 6 plus 6 3s are 18. So here the oxidation number is balanced, equalizing the oxidation number. Now what we are doing is we are balancing the net charge. Net charge is -2 plus 3 2s are -6. So +2 -6. So here the oxidation overall net charge is equal to -8, and over here also when we are just finding out +3 2s are +6 -6 यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 0. तो what we have to do is यहाँ पे 0 कब होगा? Here we have 8 and here -8. So when we are doing plus 8, then it will become equals to 0. On both of the side we are having 0. So this is the acidic medium, so we are adding H plus. अगर basic medium होता then we have to add OH minus. So step 4, to balance the net charge, H plus is added on left hand side. So now the equation is Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 3SO3 minus 2 plus 8H plus, which gives 2Cr plus 3 plus 3SO4 minus 2. You can just have a look on that particular, that we have net charge which is equal. Now to balance the hydrogen and oxygen, on the deficient side of oxygen we are adding the particular water molecule. So here we have 7, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 7, 16, and here we have 3 4s are 12. So how many four oxygen atom are they remaining, whereas 8 hydrogen atom are they remaining. So in step 5 what we are writing is, to balance hydrogen and oxygen, adding of 4 molecule of water on right hand side. So the balanced redox reaction is Cr2O7 minus 2 plus 3SO3 2 minus plus 8H plus, which gives 2 chromium ion plus 3 sulfate ion plus 4 molecule of water. Now you count the number of oxygen. 4 3s are 12, that is equal to 16. Oxygen 16 है यहाँ पे. 3 3s are 9 plus 7 16 है. What 8 hydrogen है, 4 2s are 8 hydrogen. Rest all are there balanced. Chromium and sulfur are balanced. So this is the particular, you can just have a look on it. This is the particular equation, redox reaction, which is balanced by acidic medium by the oxidation number method. If you have a look on this, so this is the way how we are balancing the redox reaction in acidic medium, children. So you just have a look on this. Then now we are moving to the next example for this. So this is the example, next example, where we have to balance it by the acidic medium. So very first step we are writing the net balance, net equation, skeletal equation. So that is chlorine whenever react with sulfur dioxide in the aqueous medium, it produces chloride ion and sulfate ion. Okay. Now here what we have to do is we have to write the oxidation number. So step 2 we are writing the oxidation number. Of each element or of elements. We don't require the other elements, we require sulfur and chlorine over here. Cl2 is there in a free state, so oxidation number is 0. Now sulfur dioxide, SO2, oxygen is having 2. So 2 minus 2, so here it has 4, oxidation number that is 4, plus H2O, which gives Cl minus charge. So the oxidation number is minus 1 over here, plus SO4 2 minus, so here we have plus 4. So what we can see over here is, here 6, because 2 minus charge is there. So 0 to minus 1, so it is decreased by 1, you can see here, and plus 4, 2 plus 6, it is increased by 2. So 2 into 1 equal to 2 and 1 into 2 equal to 2. So what next step is step 3. Cl2 plus SO2 plus H2O plus 2Cl minus plus SO4 minus 2. Okay, which gives SO4 minus 2. You can just check over here that it is Cl2 chlorine whenever you react with SO2 plus H2O plus 2Cl minus plus SO4 minus 2. Now net charge is 0. Here we have minus 4, minus 2, minus 2, that is minus 4. So to balance it, we are adding plus 4 over here. So what we are writing is step 4. To balance net charge, due to acidic medium, adding of 4H plus ion on right hand side. Okay, so now we have the equation is Cl2 plus SO2 plus H2O, which gives 2Cl minus plus SO4 minus 2 plus 4H plus, because the medium is acidic. Okay, so here now we are balancing the number of hydrogen and oxygen. So here we have 3, oxygen is equal to 3 and hydrogen is equal to 2. Here we have oxygen is equal to 4 and hydrogen that is equal to 4. Okay, so what we are doing is we are multiplying the hydrogen by 2 over here on left hand side. So next step 5 is to balance hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Addition of integer 2 before water molecule on left hand side. So it's very necessary to learn how to write integer. We are adding, if we have to add water molecule, then we are directly writing that 2 molecule of water, but itself over here water is there, so we are adding the integer. So it's very necessary how to write it. So we are adding 2 integer 2 before water molecule on left hand side. So now the balanced redox reaction is Cl2 plus SO2 plus 2H2O, which gives 2 chloride ion plus sulfate ion in acidic medium. So children, you can just have a look over here. You just have a look over here that how that particular reaction is they are going to be balanced. It is they are going to be balanced very easily. You have to just only balancing the oxidation number, whatever the number is going to be increase or decrease, and by the very easy method you can just balancing that redox reaction. Okay, so this is about the redox reaction, how we are just going to balancing by the particular oxidation number method. Now we'll just going to learn about how to balance the redox reaction by half reaction method. Have a look on this particular beta. So here I have given 2 of the particular reaction for your self practice. You just practice by yourself that how we are going to balance that particular reaction in the acidic medium. Children, for the particular balancing of redox reaction, whenever we are just talking about the half reaction method or ion electron method, it is also known as ion electron method. So very first step, we have to converting unbalanced equation into ionic form by breaking all the ionic compounds involved in the reaction into their constituent and cancel out the spectator ion to convert a molecular reaction. Second, we have to splitting the equation into 2 halves. First is oxidation and second is reduction half reaction. Then we have to balance all the elements except hydrogen and oxygen Next, step 4 is we have to balance hydrogen and oxygen atom. Step 5, we have to balance the charge, net charge, by using the number of electrons, whatever it's going to be the gaining or losing. Then we have to adding the half equations, and thereafter we have to verify the valence equation. And if the ionic equation is there, then we have to write its molecular form. So here, when we talked about the particular half reaction method, this is a self practice for acidic medium, basic medium. Already we have done 4 of the reactions. So next, in the next particular class, we'll just seeing how the balancing of redox reaction done by the ion electron method or by using the half reaction method. Already we have discussed the steps. In the next class, we'll starting with balancing by the half reaction method. Thank you and have a nice day, children.